Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at what happens at 3 a.m. on a random day when you can't sleep and you're looking on Amazon and things sort of, you have the stars align, and one of the things on Amazon has the word magnet, fidget toy, pen, as in writing pen, and, well, it seems like a reasonable purchase at the time. As you can probably tell from the video title, weird magnetic fidget toy pen thing from Amazon, that's kind of what this is. And I can tell you that I'm sort of excited and sort of sad at the same time that I bought it. I'm excited because I want to see it. I'm sad because I'm worried that it's going to be trash. But it was like 20 bucks on Amazon, and the potential joy I might get out of this is, well, it's probably, I hope it's worth 20 bucks of entertainment anyway. So let's open this thing up, and I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this thing out. I mean, I'm hoping it's not awful. The pictures looked interesting, but this might also be one of those times when I might not be old enough to actually have a credit card. Alright, so we open it up, and we have stuff. Alright, we have stuff. Alright, so I got nothing else. Oh, there's the pin thing. So you got that. So they do give you a replacement pin. That doesn't really look like a standard one, but it might be. Alright, so we got some magnetic balls, magnetic things. I already feel like this is a recipe for disaster. So these aren't magnetic. Okay. So you've got some random ball bearings, which don't seem to be magnetic. You got some, I don't know, erasers? Maybe? Oh, I know what these are. These are those nubs. These are those nubs that you use to push things with your tablets or whatever. Those stupid nubs that ruin perfectly good pens. Alright, so what's magnetic? These apparently are magnetic. Ooh, neat. Alright, so we have ends on these things, I guess. Do we have ends? So can I take these off? I can take them off. Alright, so they have caps on them. So let's see. No, that's not working. This is sort of an adventure. Alright, so magnet. Magnet? Okay, maybe it works like this. Let's see, if we stick this down here. Well, I already see a problem. If we stick this down here and we push too far. Or maybe not. Alright, so maybe I put this on here. Oops. Put this on here. Oh, that is not working. Put it on here like this, maybe? I feel like the pen is winning this battle. So, let's see. Alright, then let's see what we do. Pen goes in like that. I feel like that's not right. Is there another piece I'm missing? Is it too short, maybe? Too long? Maybe I can shorten it? No, that's not right. So, So it's got a little clippy thing, like so. I feel like I'm losing the battle with the magnets. So I got a magnet and a magnet. And we don't need that. And all right. Well, Pen seems to have its own mind about what to do. I wonder if I need to turn that thing around. I bet that's what I need to do. There's a little thing in there. I bet I need to turn it around to hold the pen. Let me grab this. There we go. I knew it was in there somewhere. Okay, so if we do it like this, that gives us our pen, and then we just start sticking things on the end of it. So we got a pen, and then, oops, and then we, alright, well this is already kind of fun, because you can use them to shoot off the thing. Alright, so there's that. So I'll throw one of these on. One of these on. Throw the little clippy thing on. And one of these on. And then the end piece. Alright. So that's kind of a cool pen. Let's try this thing out. Let's see how it writes. Weird pen magnet thing from, oops, from Amazon at 3 a.m. Okay. It's actually not terrible. I mean, it's a weird, it's genuinely a weird pen, and there's a bunch of strange, like, supplies that go with it. But I kind of like it. The magnets are neat, but I mean, let's be realistic. I like magnets, so I was probably this pen had a few things that were going on its side to begin with. But I'm not like disappointed I bought it, which I guess is a good thing. I don't really feel like the ball bearings. I mean, I get that they're there to sort of, I don't want to say increase play value, but increase play value for you. But I mean, I don't know how you would really keep them with the pen unless you want to carry a pocket full of ball bearings. So I can see it being a little problematic to carry the pen like in your pocket, because, well, you know, like let's say you had your pocket knife in your pocket, so the, you know, pen's going to stick to it. Not super bad, but a little bit. I'll tell you what though, like 10 or 12-year-old me would have loved this. Cantankerous old me still kind of likes it. I don't know. What do you think? Was it a good 3 a.m. Amazon purchase or a terrible one? It doesn't. I know this is sort of surprising, but it doesn't write too bad. I mean, it's kind of a nifty little toy. And I guess, maybe that's the equivalent of the cap for it. Because if we add in this thing, if I can get my hands on it. There we go. If we add on this thing to the front, you kind of have a cap. And then all you do is you take it off and put it up there. I have no idea if this is what was intended or not, but it's kind of cool. Alright, this is worth $20 worth of amusement. I'm pretty sure. At least it was worth $20 worth of amusement for me. I feel like I should put this in a drawer with a bunch of other stuff and let it just sort of, you know, pick things up. Alright. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was this a dumb purchase or neat or what? And I'll include, there's a link in the description for this particular item on Amazon if you want to check it out. I kind of think it's neat. I don't know. Your mileage may vary with that one. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.